Hello everybody, here's a nice overview of any landing and its grid system. First a little preview of the theme, still a work in progress, but you can see the responsiveness. If you activate Thread for MODX, you get a nice menu with settings and more options. The settings for the page you can change here, page title, description, intro text, all the good things published, and even advanced settings. Elements, so add it, I'll show you later, and the site itself, so every page you can add for Thread on the front end. But for now we're going to look at the grid and our elements. For any landing I have created rows. There's a row, 1 row, 2 column row, a 3 column row, and a 4 column row for now. You simply drag it to the place you want to add the row. And maybe let's add a 3 column or 4 column row here. Just drop it in. And finally let's add a 2 column row below it. So this way you just simply create your grid, and you can see the light gray drop element here field. And now we can just add our elements. For now I'm adding just rich text, but soon there will be other elements like sliders, images, drop downs, anything you want. So this way you very quickly drag and drop the elements on your theme, and it's very quick and very simple to do. Let's have a quick look. Some of them are misaligned a bit, so you can just move them up and down with the arrows. And if they're not totally right, you just click on the drag icon and drag them in place. So there's something strange here with the layout. Let's have a look what it is. That's why I love this. You can just drag and drop it until it's exactly the way you want it, which works fine. As we can see, the 4 column is inside the 1 column. So let's adjust this. We can just move it around, move it down, and now we have a 1 column, a 4 column, and below it a 2 column. Let's save it, and here we can edit per row the settings for the column. So this is a 4 column, so each column has its own options, and the row has options. Maybe add an overlay or a background color. These colors can be preset in the theme. Use a container or not. Set the text align for the entire row. Add some padding, or even add margins on the top of or the bottom of the row. All very easy. Let's have a look. So this is how it will look if we save right now. Let's change some more things. On this text field, let's center the row. So open settings and the 1 column, and we can adjust the width of the column for every screen size. And let's make it 6 column wide and an offset of 3 to center the field. And align the text to the center. Give it some extra padding. Maybe some margin. Yeah, that's it. Now we have a nice centered text in the 6 column for large screens. We can edit the text on the front end, of course, using Thread. So it makes it very easy to edit your system. Maybe add a call to action button, just drag it in. And you can again edit the settings for the button. We can align the button even if we want to. So let's center it for here. Add some padding to the button or margin. Let's add some margin on top, move it down a little. Change the size to large. Adjust the background color. The button text, we can change it. We can change it in field as well. So there you go. We created a nice call to action section. So this is the way any landing will work. You just drag in your grid, your row, and then drag in elements. Change colors if you want. Text color, you can change it per element itself. So not the entire row, but even any element you can adjust the layout, the color, the alignment, even the padding of each element. So here we add some padding to the element itself. Let's remove it again because we don't need it right now. Maybe add some margin. So that's it. That's any landing for Thread for MODX. I hope you like this preview. Still working on it, but we're getting closer. Let me know what you think.